Hello students, this is Ujjwala Bhandiwad, lecturer from KLS Gokte PU College of Commerce and Science, Belagavi. Students, already we have started the chapter functions. In that, we have learned library functions such as mathematical functions, character functions, string functions. Okay. Last time we have discussed about the string functions. Students, let us understand what do you mean by string functions. Little bit we will recall about it. You know that string means it is a collection of characters surrounded by the double quotes. So when you have a sequence of characters surrounded by double quotes, we call it as string. Okay. To perform any operation on a string, we use the string functions. So string functions, whenever we use, we have to include one header file, that is string.h. Okay. See, usually C++ string allocate the memory dynamically. Hence, there is no memory pre-allocation or wastage of memory happens. Okay, this we have already learnt in the previous class. Now students, let us learn very important string functions. First one is strcmp function. Students, the full form of strcmp is string compare function. The string compare function is built-in function in C++. Okay, it is present in a string.h header file. This function is used to compare two string arguments. Means what? Whenever we want to check whether one string is equal with another string, whenever we want to compare the two strings, we are using string compare function. Okay. This function compares the two strings character by character. For example, it compares the first character. If both are same, then it goes to the second character, like that. How many characters are present in a string? It will compare each and every character one by one. So suppose all the characters in a string 1 and string 2 both are same, then 0 value will be returned. We have to understand that if the value 0 is returned, then both the strings are equal. Okay. The second string function, okay, is strcmpi. Its full form is string compare ignore function. Okay. What is the difference between string compare, which one we have learnt earlier, and string compare ignore function? Students, string compare function is case sensitive in nature, whereas string compare I function is not case sensitive in nature. Okay. What do you mean by case sensitive? Means the string compare function treats lowercase and uppercase letters differently, whereas the string compare ignore function treats lowercase and uppercase letters as a same. Okay, it will not going to differentiate it. Okay, so the syntax is given here: string compare I in the bracket string 1 comma string 2. Okay, so students, one major difference between string compare and string compare I is string compare function is case sensitive in nature, string compare I is not case sensitive in nature. Okay, now students, let us understand this concept with the help of one C++ programming example. Okay, so here you know that our program begins with the header files. I have included here iostream.h, our first header file. Second one is string.h. You know, I'm using the string functions, so I have to include string.h header file. After that, we have here int main function. Okay, in the main function it is completed, then we have open brace. So you can observe here, students. Here we have declared one array. The name of the array is str1. Okay, it is a character array, and it includes size. I have given it as 10, means the size of the array is 10. Here I am storing one value. What string I am storing? You can see here I have written here college. You know that string means it is a collection of characters included in the double quotes, okay, ending with semicolon. Here you can observe here. So you have to observe here that here I have written C as a capital letter. Okay, now in the second line I have used the second string of array. String 2 is a second array. Again it stores the value college. Okay, you can observe here the character C is written in a smaller case letter. Earlier it is written in here in the uppercase letter, and here it is written in the as a smaller case letter or lower case letter. Okay, so students, what will happen? I have taken here one variable. What is the name of the variable? Is result. It's of the type integer. Okay, result is equal to, I have used the function string compare ignore. Okay, so string compare ignore we have used, and we are going to use here string 1 and string 2. As per the syntax, we are comparing the two strings, that is string 1 and string 2, which I have already declared earlier. Okay, see here str1 is also declared, str2 is also declared. Okay, once I declare, now I will compare the two values, and you know that once the comparison is over, if the function returns value 0, okay, then both the strings are identical or they are equal. Okay, so for that purpose, to check that concept, we are using if statement. Okay, see here I'm checking if in the bracket result is equal to 0. Okay, so if the result is equal to 0, then both the strings are identical or equal. Otherwise, that is else part, I am printing strings are unequal. Okay, finally we are using return 0 because we have used the int main function. Okay, so students, when you run this program, okay, what will happen is two strings, which are the first string 1 is college and string 2 is again college. Okay, both will be compared, and since I'm using string compare I, that is ignore, means it is not case sensitive. Whether you write in uppercase letter or in a lowercase letter, it treats them as the same. So you will get the output as both the strings are equal. So when you run the program, students, you will get the result as both the strings are equal. So the same program, when you run with the help of string compare function, okay, you will not get the same result. You will get strings are not equal because we are using uppercase and lowercase letters. But here I am using string compare ignore function, hence the result will come as both the strings are equal. Okay, so students, I hope you have understood the difference between string compare and string compare ignore function. Okay, So this is just one small C++ program to demonstrate you people, and again we will learn further things in the next class. Thank you students.